Best LED headlights improve night visibility, enhance driving safety, reduce eye strain, save energy, and provide brighter, longer-lasting road illumination. My today's video is about top 5 best LED headlights for brighter roads that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Zonbeam H11 LED bulbs. Zonbeam H11 LED headlight bulbs deliver a major upgrade in nighttime driving performance with exceptional brightness and reliability. Equipped with 16 advanced CSP LED chips, they emit a 6000K cool white beam that is up to 700% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs, significantly improving road visibility in dark, foggy, and rainy conditions. This enhanced illumination helps drivers detect obstacles earlier, increasing overall safety. Installation is effortless thanks to the true 1:1 factory design. With a compact base, no polarity requirement, and plug-and-play setup, these bulbs fit easily without any modifications or extra tools. The fanless cooling system is another standout feature, using copper tubes and multi-layer fins for efficient heat dissipation while maintaining silent operation. Built with IP68 waterproof and dust-proof protection, they offer impressive durability and a lifespan of up to 60,000 hours. With 99% vehicle compatibility and built-in drivers, Zonbeam H11 bulbs ensure reliable performance and hassle-free upgrades for most vehicles. Now our second product is SpurtBulb LED headlight bulbs. The SpurtBulb 9005/H11 LED headlight combo kit is a powerful lighting upgrade designed specifically for Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2020. Delivering an impressive 20,000 lumens output with a crisp 6500K cool white beam. These bulbs significantly enhance nighttime visibility. The wide and far-reaching light pattern allows drivers to clearly see upcoming roads, obstacles, and lane markings, improving overall driving confidence and safety without overly dazzling oncoming traffic. Built with a true 1:1 halogen-sized design, installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply plug and play without worrying about fitment space. The compact structure ensures compatibility even in tight headlight housings. Performance is further improved with a silent fan system, EMC anti-interference chip, and built-in SANE bus driver for stable, error-free operation. With IP68 waterproof protection and advanced heat dissipation using copper and aviation aluminum, these bulbs are highly durable. Offering up to 50,000 hours lifespan, they provide long-lasting, reliable illumination for everyday driving. Our third product is Farin 2026 New Gen 9012 HIR2 LED bulbs. Foreigner 9012 HIR2 LED bulbs deliver a powerful lighting upgrade focused on safety, clarity, and long-term reliability. With advanced CSP chip technology, they produce up to 12 times brighter illumination than standard halogen bulbs, dramatically improving nighttime visibility. Whether driving through rain, fog, or snow, road signs, lane markings, and obstacles appear sharper and more defined, helping reduce reaction time and enhance driving confidence. Installation is extremely user-friendly thanks to the all-in-one, driver-free design. The true 1:1 factory size ensures a perfect fit in most headlight housings, making the upgrade quick and hassle-free even for beginners. That a standout feature is the precision beam pattern. The ultra-thin chip alignment replicates halogen filament positioning, producing a focused beam with no dark spots or glare for oncoming traffic. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum with a 20,000 revolutions per minute silent fan, the cooling system ensures excellent heat dissipation and extends lifespan up to 70,000 hours. With IP68 waterproofing and 99.5% CN bus compatibility, these bulbs offer dependable all-weather performance. Now, on number 4, Senrobo Fit for Buick 2008 to 2012 Enclave. The Senrobo D1 S-HID xenon headlight bulbs are a high-performance replacement solution designed for select Buick models, including the 2008 to 2012 Enclave. 2011 to 2013 Regal, and 2010 to 2013 LaCrosse. Before purchasing, it is important to verify whether your vehicle uses HID or halogen systems, as this product is only compatible with factory HID setups in terms of performance. These bulbs deliver an impressive 350% brightness increase over halogen and 175% more light than original HID units. The enhanced beam output significantly improves nighttime visibility, extending the lighting range and allowing drivers to detect hazards earlier, ultimately improving safety and reaction time. Built with quartz UV-resistant glass, high-purity xenon gas, and durable metal components, they offer a solid lifespan of up to 3,500 hours. With IP68 waterproof protection, they perform reliably in harsh weather conditions. Installation is simple plug-and-play with a precise 1:1 fit, requiring no decoding or wiring changes. Certified by CE, FCC, ROHS, and DOT, they ensure dependable, road-safe performance. And our last choice is Hikari Wings H11 Fog Light. Hikari LED bulbs deliver a premium lighting upgrade focused on extreme brightness, long lifespan, and wide vehicle compatibility. With an outstanding 50,000 lumens output powered by advanced chip technology, these bulbs provide exceptional road visibility up to 1,800 feet. This powerful illumination greatly enhances driving safety in challenging conditions such as rain, fog, or poorly lit roads, helping drivers detect hazards earlier and drive with greater confidence. Designed for durability, the cooling system combines dual copper heat pipes, aerospace-grade aluminum, and a 15,000 revolutions per minute high-speed fan, effectively reducing heat buildup by 20 to 25%. This advanced thermal management supports a remarkable lifespan of over 50,000 hours, ensuring long-term reliability even under heavy use. The ultra-thin 0.05-inch chip design and 55W power output create a sharply focused beam pattern, delivering plus 200% improved night vision without unnecessary glare or dark spots. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking just 5 minutes. With built-in canvas technology and 99% vehicle compatibility, these bulbs offer a smooth, hassle-free upgrade for most drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.